Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Shift key not working on Windows 11. This is a frustrating issue that can happen to anyone, but thankfully there's a straightforward solution you can try. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and wait until it completely loads up. You want to ensure everything is ready before you start making any changes to your settings. This just takes a moment, but it's important to let your system boot up properly. Once your PC is ready, you'll want to navigate to your Windows Start menu, which is located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. From there, you'll need to access your system settings, so type in Settings into the search bar that appears. After typing, press Enter on your keyboard, and this will open the Microsoft Windows Settings menu where you can adjust various system configurations. Now, within the Settings menu, look for and click on the Ease of Access option. This section contains accessibility features that sometimes interfere with normal keyboard function, which is why we're checking it first. The ease of access settings are designed to help users with different needs, but occasionally these features can cause unexpected behavior with your keyboard. Once you're inside the ease of access window, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll need to scroll down through the options until you find the interaction section. This section groups together all the settings related to how you interact with your computer. Within this section, click on the keyboard option. This will take you directly to your keyboard-specific settings where you can modify how your keyboard responds to input. Now you're in the keyboard settings area, and this is where the fix happens. Look for two specific options, sticky keys and toggle keys. These features are designed to assist users who have difficulty pressing multiple keys simultaneously, but they can sometimes cause issues with the Shift key functioning normally. You'll see toggle buttons next to each of these options. Make sure to turn both sticky keys and toggle keys off by clicking on their respective toggle buttons. When these features are disabled, they should appear grayed out or in the off position. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the settings that were likely causing your Shift key to malfunction on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.